To start off, we need to make the crust, and for that we need 30 Oreos and 5 tablespoons of butter. First things first, we're going to finely food process the Oreos. Because I have a small food processor, I'm just going to do 10 at a time. Oh, just a quick note, some people like to remove the filling before they do this, but I don't really think it's necessary. It's fine to just leave it in there. Okay. Oops. Let's begin. It's loud.
It's not, I know. You need to. Yeah. Wait. Just stop that.
Okay. It's a lot easier if you have a larger food processor.
We have one over there.
But because I'm doing it in batches, I'm just going to put it into this bowl. How do you open those? Can't even open it. Why are you laughing at me? Can't even open it. It's hard.
I know, I just used the new one though. Yeah.
Wow.
Just do like that.
Okay.
You have magic. I have a magic hand.
Oh.
You need a mother, I know, magic hands.
Okay. I need to put this here. Now that we've melted the butter, which I may have forgotten to mention is unsalted, it is time to pour it into our finely crushed Oreos. Like so. And then I'm going to use a fork to mix it. And now that it is combined, it's time to press it into our pan, or the mixture into our pan. You can just use like a cake pan, or even just like a rectangular pan. Anything is fine, but I'm going to use a springform pan. Just going to pour my mixture into here. Carefully. And then I'm going just a little bit of the sides. In the meanwhile, I will put it into the fridge to let chill. Oh wait, no. So here's the crust. Now that we've got a little bit of a change in scenery, it's time to make our filling. For that, you'll need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. I'm using Philadelphia. This is not sponsored by Philadelphia, unfortunately, but yeah, and you need to make sure that it's softened so that it's just easier to work with. So maybe like leave it out for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. And then you also need about a cup of, or like 8 ounces, I think in weight. Yeah, that's what I'm using. 8 ounces in weight of Cool Whip or whipped topping. This is a 16 ounce, so I'm just gonna use half of it. Then we have 1/4 cup of sugar, vanilla, and 4 Oreos. So let's get started. Cream cheese goes in. Sugar goes in. And vanilla goes in. And we're gonna go ahead and give that a good mix with our hand mixer. Okay, see, my cream cheese wasn't softened enough. But just keep working at it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the spatula so that I can scrape down the sides a little bit. And now in goes our Oreos. Proceed. And now I'm going to fold in the whipped topping into our little cream cheese Oreo mixture. This is what it's supposed to look like. And now it's ready to put into the crust. I'm gonna go get it really quick. Here's our crust straight from the fridge. And I'm going to quickly put this on here. Hold on, I gotta scrape off the sides of the bowl. Off the record, I spread the mixture over my crust as best as I could, and that's basically what it looks like. And now it's ready to chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and then it'll be ready to serve.
So this is the cheesecake that my daughter made last night. So you're gonna transfer that. Ooh. I have to transfer that. It looks good. I'm trying to. How do I? Okay, just have to transfer this. Whoops! It's not that big. I told her to double size. But anyway, that is an Oreo cheesecake. That's her Oreo cheesecake for the birthday celebrant. That was so funny because she's also 11 and my nephew also is 11. The same birthday, the same day. So now we're gonna sprinkle this. I have this chocolate one. Ah, chincharo! Why I always do this? Just wanna decorate that a little with cherry. That will look a little bit fancy. It says Oreo cheesecake with cherry. I love cherry too. If they don't want to eat that cherry, I will eat it. You can eat them all. See, looks fancy now. Then let's put this, because this one is a little bit, the cover is a little bit higher, so this one will not. Okay, let's put this 2 ones. Isn't that pretty? And we sprinkle that with chocolate. I'm not sure she likes chocolate, but I don't know. This is my daughter's option, choice, chocolate. Because the Oreo looks like also chocolate, so this is a little bit much. I don't want to put too much, just I forgot to buy icing to put, say, happy birthday. But I guess also she has cake at home in their home. Happy birthday, Carmela! I love you. We love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I don't know how to sing. Just stop, Lillian. Alright, that's it. That's her Oreo cheesecake that my daughter made last night. So I just decorated later a little bit. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll try that later.